Money, money, money. All right, this is a long one, but bear with me because I've got a lot of great info. I mean, what a week it's been for the feds and the markets. The Federal Reserve made a move to increase its benchmark interest rate by 25 basis points. But it looks like the stock market isn't feeling the pressure. Even with fears of more bank failures looming large, lawmakers and investors are staying steady. During the press conference, Chairman Jerome Powell suggested that rates could have gone up by 50 basis points if not for pressures in the banking system. Powell also made it clear that there would be no rate cuts this year in response to a question from Yahoo Finance's Jennifer Schoenberger. Although the Dow Jones Industrial Average took a hit of 530 points on Wednesday, the market stabilized on Thursday thanks to the efforts of Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen and other top business people who did everything they could publicly and behind the scenes to ease concerns of a full-blown bank crisis. Yes, we were all feeling the pressure, I know. But there's more. One prominent CEO I spoke with over the dinner this past week said this isn't a crisis. They added that the situation is far less dire than the subprime mortgage crisis that led to the Great Recession. The CEO did blast leaders at Silicon Valley Bank and expressed concerns about the outcome of First Republic. A person familiar with the Treasury Secretary's thinking also said that the department is keeping a close eye on deposit inflows at the banks. That suggests the financial system isn't in crisis mode, at least not yet. But market stress was back in focus by Friday as all eyes turned to Deutsche Bank and its various struggles in dwindling stock price. In other words, it was another wild week. Did you keep up with the latest developments in the world of finance this week? If not, you might have missed some other fascinating news stories, all right? So let me catch you up on 5 major things that happened. First of all, Nvidia. More than just gaming. Nvidia is best known for making graphics processing units, GPUs for gaming, but at its annual GTC conference, the company unveiled a series of ambitious projects that showed it is branching out into artificial intelligence. Yes. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang also discussed the impact of higher interest rates on the company's business. This is the time when we all have to do more with less, Huang said. And accelerated computing is really the best path forward to do so. Now, with Nvidia shares up a whopping 18% this month, it looks like investors are excited about the company's AI push. Are you? Now, Bill Gates on the future of AI. Speaking of AI, Microsoft founder Bill Gates shared his thoughts on the technology in a recent blog post. Gates believes that super intelligent AIs are in our future and that they could have the capabilities of a human brain within the next century. Scary or cool? I don't know. You tell me. Regardless, it's worth noting that Microsoft is heavily invested in AI, which could mean big things for the company's bottom line. So watch their stock. Now, Ford's electric future, Ford, obviously F on the stock exchange, is betting big on electric vehicles, EVs. At a recent teach-in at the New York Stock Exchange, Ford execs made a bold promise. The company will turn a profit on its EV business by 2026. Now, this might seem like a long way off, but it's a significant milestone for a company that has struggled to make headway in the EV market thus far. CEO Jim Farley told Yahoo Finance that he's aiming to compete with Tesla's profit margins in the EV business. Now, it won't be easy, but it's an exciting goal, I'd say. Now, GameStop's surprising earnings. GameStop has been a favorite topic of conversation among investors lately. The company posted its first profitable quarter in over 2 years this week, sending its stock soaring through the roof. CEO Matt Furlong promised more cost-cutting measures. But some analysts have noted that GameStop still has issues with growing its sales. Keep an eye on that one. And lastly, AMC's record-breaking sales. Finally, let's talk about those movies, right? AMC saw a boost in its stock price after GameStop's earnings report, but the company also had some good news of its own to share. CEO Adam Aron tweeted that AMC set a new record for food and beverage revenue per patron last week. Thank you to our theater crews for their record-setting offers, he said. record-setting efforts, he said. And for our guests, we hope you like the food and drink. I win, I did. Now, it's always good to see a company succeeding in a tough industry like movies are, as we know. Well, there you have it, 5 things you might have missed in the finance world this week. Keep your eyes peeled for more exciting news in the weeks to come. Let me know what you think about this by telling me down there in the comments, as always. And please, don't forget to follow, thumbs up, like, and subscribe for more updates on that wild world of finance. Thanks for tuning in.